Yeah, I can see you.
What's happening here? Right.
Okay. So, good evening. How are you?
I am totally fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. Thanks for asking. So, as we are meeting for the first time, so I'm so vigorously and eager to know something about yourself. So, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yes, yes, sure, sure. Thank you for giving me wonderful opportunity to speak about me. So, if I talk about me, so my name is Ranjit and I am from Gujarat. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed 10 plus 2. And if I talk about my hobbies are listening English songs, reading English book, articles, and sometimes I draw pictures. And that's why you can see me. I am little bit artist. Yes. So this is all about me. So please now your turn. So introduce yourself.
Yeah, wonderful. It is a wonderful and miraculous introduction. And yeah, I love drawing too means in my leisure. I make drawing and like projects. Yeah. So first of all, thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. Well, this is me, Rupa, and I'm connecting to you from Bihar. And right now, I am a student of the class 8. And in my future, I want to become a doctor. Yeah, this is something about myself. Hope it was enough.
Yes, yes, that's a great introduction about yourself. So you mentioned that you draw means you like to draw. So which type of painting you draw means in which type of drawing you have interest? Just tell me about. Then I will tell.
Okay. So as you know that like I love drawing, so means I have made so many assignment as well, project as well. And one day, like at night, at that time it was 8 o'clock, no, 10 o'clock, and I was making one project. That was project means I had to make collage of animals, and I had to write something about that. So I decided that let me make one video also, and let me make my project as well. So I have made one video, and I have uploaded that video on my YouTube channel. You can go and you can watch as well. And I make so many things such as project, drawing, and science project such as global warming. And I have made just like real thing means you can go and you can watch. I have made house, factories, just like looking real. Okay, but it took a lot of time, means 5 to 6 hours, and like I have made homes, like real home means just like looking real, man's tree also real. And I have mentioned about that we should not cut plant and tree, we should not like set up a lot of factories. If you want to set up a lot of factories, so along with that you should also plant more and more trees so that our environment can be clean, or so that we can get fresh oxygen. Because in corona time you had seen the difficulties, because like we had to buy, and like Bharat patched cylinder of oxygen from another country. We had lack of oxygen at the time. So why? We had a lack of plant and tree. So that is why it is very, very important to plant more and more trees so that we won't face any problem. Means like we don't know, means we are not God, so we cannot do miracles. So we don't know what will happen in our future. We cannot do predication. We cannot do miraculous. So that is why we should do like this kind of thing. So I make this type of project and drawing.
So I think you made that portrait on 5th of June. I think that is called means Environment Day. Yes, to save the environment, and to save environment we have to we should not cut the tree, but we should plant the tree. and we should not develop like this type of factories on the means forest area, and we should not go in a forest area, and we should not means develop like this type of factories. And because of that thing, we faced lots of problem during a corona time. Yes, you mentioned that, and we uh, means brought our oxygens from others countries. Yes, you mentioned, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So, and if I talk about my means portrait and pictures, so I draw my means I am a, you can see me, I am a little bit original means realistic artist. Yes, because I draw lots of realistic pictures. Means I draw my friends pictures, along with I draw my nephew's pictures, my brother's pictures, APJ Abdul Kalam's picture, Ritik sir's
Oh my
pictures.
goodness,
uh,
holy moly.
yeah.
Wonderful. You are
and
really amazing.
and also I made my portrait, and yes, this all the portrait I have, and I sent those all the portrait my friends, and one day when my brother's birthday, that time I made his portrait, and then I sent him. And after looking its picture, he became shocked, and he said me that from where did you buy. So I said him that I did not buy these pictures from anywhere, but I made it myself. So then he realized that yes, I have a unique, and then he accepted all these things. And when he came at my home, that time I saw all the my pictures which I have made. And after looking that, he became uh, means surprised. And then he told me that, yeah, you should become the artist, not others means government employees and private employees, but you should become artist. But I told him, yes, if the destiny will say me that you should become the artist, then I will become. Otherwise I will I have my personal passion. Yes.
Yeah, you are doing such a wonderful activity and keep it up. If you do arduous work like this, then one day God will support you, because I have believed this personally. God support those one who do hard work, because like life is full of difficulties. Means in life, everyone face problem, but only those persons success in their life who combat with their obstacle, who fight with their hindrance, that is stopping them, that is refraining them to get success. Like suppose that you are preparing for an exam, and like in between you have lack of money, so you should think that how I can overcome out from this problem. And so many, like a person, they do job as well, they prepare for their exam as well. Means one day I was talking with one man, so he had not a father, so like he was preparing for competitive exam, and he was one delivery boy. So like such kind of people are everywhere. You can find in every state, every city, every area. So like we and I, means like I and you are not only who are doing hard work for their aim. We should like think like this. But nowadays people, I don't know why people annoy through others, and they think that I am only one who is doing hard work for their aim. No, it's nothing like this. If you think like this, then your mind and like whatever new thought are coming, that will help you to grow in your life, it will astonish, it will stop. Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes. I got some calls.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
My